Hey brother, welcome back. Thanks for being here. Hey, I am traveling around the country in my RV. I am in the Smoky Mountains right now, and I am making good use of my nighttime time to bring you some of the books that I have brought with me, to tell you about some of the books that I have brought with me on this trip. I have made a whole series of videos. If you haven't watched those yet, go back and look for those. There's a bunch of books here. These books are so important to me because they have transformed my thinking, my beliefs, which has transformed my life over the past couple of years. It has resulted in me buying this RV. I would have had the courage or confidence or faith to do that previously. I would have always talked myself out of it and told myself stories about it, but since the transformation has come in my thoughts and my thinking through reading these books, I have purchased this RV and I'm now traveling around the country, meeting with guys in the men's community and having just a very different life that I've had in the 47 years prior to being on the planet. So in this video, I want to just talk real briefly about a book that, full disclosure, I haven't actually finished reading, but I have finished reading the companion to that, if you will. So anyway, I'll just show you the book. So it's Eckhart Tolle's A New Earth. This is one of his more recent editions of his thoughts and his writings. I talked about this book in a previous video, The Power of Now. This is one of his older ones. And I started reading A New Earth and thought it was very interesting. But then when I learned about The Power of Now, that he had that book, for some reason, I can't remember the series of events now, but I wound up switching over and reading that book. And I found that I enjoyed both, but they have a little bit of overlap in their writing, but they're kind of different in that this one talks about a lot about the the awakening your life's purpose, and it also talks a lot about what he calls the pain body, the fact that that whatever story you're telling yourself about who you is what you is associating with your identity. It's who you think you are. So if you say, I'm somebody who doesn't like to go out in public, well, that's a story that you're telling yourself. You may not like going out in public, but you're also identifying that, associating that with your identity, who you are. So if there's any sort of pain associated with that, if there's any sort of withdrawal or anxiety associated with that, then that's a little bit of telling yourself that you are this, and that is helping you to associate that with your identity. And so he talks a lot about the pain body in the collective. Talks about it, how it shows up in the world today, and things like that. So it gets kind of a little larger in scale. The Power of Now is more about individual thought and how the ego drives us, and how we live in our head. I talked all about this in the other videos. The reason I'm stumbling, we live in our head and we're not fully present. So if you want to know more about The Power of Now, go watch that video. But just know that either one of these books is a good read. Eckhart Tolle is a fantastic teacher, and I really like to listen to his talks and listen to what he has to say. So it's a good book. There you go. So, and then lastly, I'm going to say once again, get yourself a journal and write every day. It will transform your life because you'll begin to see patterns in your thinking. You'll be able to unlock your beliefs, and that once we begin to have a better understanding of ourselves and understand our thoughts and our beliefs, our life begins to change. So I'm going to recommend that you do that. So if you'd like to talk about anything, any of the books that I have mentioned in the series, if you want to talk about any of the concepts, if you're looking to transform your life, if you're looking to move past any of your self-limiting beliefs, you can contact me through happymancoaching.com. I'll be happy to talk with you and get you on the right path. All right, I love you, brother, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.